Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my pulse rifle, I believe from Half-Life, Overwatch, standard issued pulse rifle. Here it is. A few people requested it, so this is what I came up with. And please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. Okay. So first you need a sheet of paper like this and a quarter size paper. It depends on what size paper you're using. A quarter size paper of that, okay? So first you want to start out with a 8x8 grid. So you want to fold it in half like so. Then you want to unfold that. Then you want to fold the other side in half like so, and unfold that. Then you want to bring all the edges to the center line 2 times, okay? So first like this, and again like so. So do that for the rest of the sides, okay? Okay, and now you're gonna fold this up like a fan. So just like this, like so, and make sure the edge is facing up. Okay, as you can see, W's. Right, there's 2 W's. And on this side, you're gonna do the same thing and make a fan going the other direction now, okay? So now you see this first crease line right here. You want to fold that first crease line down, then fold, match up the corners. Then you want to do the same thing right here. You see that second crease line? Then you want to fold that second crease line down and match the corners like so. And you see that third crease line right here? You want to fold that third crease line down and match, fold up the corners. Then now you see these 2 squares, those are 2 corners, okay? So you want to fold down those 2 corners down like so. Okay, this is going to be the front of the gun. And now the back of the gun, you're going to leave 2 columns on top. So this is going to be the stock. So leave 2 columns on the top, and you're going to do the same thing and make a fan going the other direction, okay? So, and don't fold these 2 columns. Okay, start from here. So you see that first crease line? You want to fold that first crease line down and fold up the corners like so, and right here as well. Okay, then you see that second crease line right there. You want to fold that second crease line down, as you can see, then fold up the corners like so. Okay, and now you see those 2 squares right here, of course 2 corners, and fold down those corners. Okay, and now you're going to open up the middle portion of it. Okay, if you look in the back, the middle part, okay, fold that up, And if you look on the bottom, there'll be this little triangle piece right here. You want to flatten that down, okay? So fold down on that. Okay, and flip it back to the front. And now you see this little piece right here. And you see that triangle right there. You want to fold in that triangle like so. And now you see the square. You want to fold down that square piece. That's going to be the pistol grip right there. And now you see this two edge right here. You want to flip it over and bring those two edge down to the center line, okay? So this is the top part, as you can see, and the bottom part, okay? But before that, you see that triangle? You're gonna fold in that triangle like so, and fold down the bottom part, okay? So if you look in the back, like so, okay? Front. And now you see this smaller triangle on top. You want to fold that in as well. So I'm going to first pre-crease it. Okay. Make a crease there. Unfold. Then open up this pocket right there. And fold in that triangle. Okay. And now I'm going to fold down this smaller square. Okay. To make the pistol grip. And now we're going to fold down the bottom piece up to that crease line until this crease line in the back right here. Okay, like that. Then bring up fold it up again. Okay, then kind of roll out this section here. Now the top. Okay, so you're gonna start from this crease line right here, and you're gonna fold it down right until the middle right here. So you see these two crease lines? You're gonna fold it right until around here in the middle. Okay. Okay, like so. Then you're gonna fold that bottom portion up. So you see that center crease line, this edge, you're gonna fold it right up to this top edge, okay? Like that. Okay, and then round these out. So if you look in the front side, okay, and now the stock, so you're going to zigzag fold right here. So fold this forward like so, and fold it back out. Then if you look in the back side, you're going to open up this pocket right there and fold it right until this corner right there, okay? Like that. Okay, so it was like this. Then you're going to open up the pocket, kind of slide it right up to this corner. Okay, fold it back to the front. And now you see that bottom piece right here. You're going to fold that back, just hiding that whole thing. And kind of adjust it like so. Okay, and now the sheared portion of it. So you want to fold the paper in half, and now we're going to make a half of a fish base. So you see this edge and also this edge, you want to fold it right until this edge here. Okay. That, and unfold, then bring that other edge over. And then fold that two crease line together. Okay. And now you want to bring this corner right here to this edge here. Okay. Like so. And make a good crease. And you're going to sink this down. Okay. So open up that whole area. And you see that smaller triangle right here? You want to fold down on all the crease line. Okay. Then fold down on the middle. Like so. And make sure the model looks like this. Okay, so you see that slant is on top. So smaller edge should be on top and the longer edge should be on the bottom. Okay, and you see this triangle right here. You want to fold in that triangle. I'm going to pre-crease it just like that. Unfold and open up this pocket. You can hide that triangle inside. And now fold this part down just like that, and there will be this little corner right there. You can flip it over and put in this point inside. And now fold this part up okay, fold the left part of it up, then fold that corner like that and fold in that point. Okay, and if you look right here, there will be this little pocket in the middle. Okay, you want to kind of open that up and slide in this piece right in there. Okay, this might be a little hard to get to, but okay, just like that. And so here is my pulse rifle. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.